Rich Dad's Guide to Investing: What the Rich Invest in, That the Poor and the Middle Class Do Not, is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki, a personal finance author and speaker. The book is a guide to understanding the different types of investments and how to create wealth through investing. It is intended to educate readers on how to think like the rich and make investments that will generate cash flow and long-term wealth. The book covers a wide range of investment options, including real estate, paper assets such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and businesses. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities and how to invest in assets that generate cash flow. He also stresses the importance of financial education and the role it plays in achieving financial success. The book includes case studies and examples of people who have achieved financial freedom by following the principles outlined in the book. Kiyosaki also provides practical advice and strategies for investing in different types of assets, as well as tips on how to minimize risk and maximize returns. Overall, the book is designed to provide readers with a new perspective on investing in money, and to empower them to take control of their financial future and achieve financial freedom.